Hello everybody, this is Nora, and today I am reviewing for you a stamping plate that I received from BangGood.com. I will have the link down in the description bar for you guys, so don't forget to check that out. And this stamping plate that I am reviewing for you, so I wanted to show you here, it's one of the big ones. So I'm going to go ahead, this one is, just to give you the size really quick, this is about the, is that it's almost about 5 3/4 inches width right there, and the length we have 8 1/4 inches. So yeah, it's one of the big plates, and as you can see, it does come protected with the blue film right here that I haven't removed yet, but I'll be doing that pretty soon. Now the plate does not have a backing. It is pretty sharp around the edges, so you do have to be careful with this one and handle it very carefully, okay, so you don't hurt yourself. But one particular thing that I found interesting about this plate, and let me go ahead and turn it, but here's the number right here. It's the HWH04, and check out these images. So if you notice, almost all the images, almost all of them, not all, have the mirror image to them. See, like these two? See what I mean? So that you can have your left hand and right hand designs, and then you can have, see there, your mirror image right here for those. And so it's quite versatile. We have some very fancy designs here, and we have some that are kind of like meshy or like lace, like this one. And then we have some kind of those optical illusions kind of images. And then check these out. I'm loving these for kind of like a negative space and something showing through. So those look pretty cool. These kind of look, I think they kind of look like butterfly wings. And then we also have, yeah, these are puzzle pieces. I like that one. I don't have anything with puzzle pieces like that. So yeah, we're gonna head and test these out for you guys and see how well they do. For the stamping plate, I'm going to go ahead and remove the blue film and move on to doing some swatches. Okay guys, so there you saw how I went about testing out this plate and how well it did. I mean, it's, look at, I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up of these images, and some of them have very fine lines like this one right here, and another really neat, pretty design right there. I like that. It has some very fine lines right in the center. But as you can see, it picked up, look, that's pretty cool. There you go. And I use my Funky Fingers black polish from Five Below to pick up these images, and just a jelly stamper. But yeah, I really like this plate. And let me go ahead and also tell you, this is after I cleaned it up with acetone. Then after the acetone, I went with the nail polish remover, and then I wiped it with alcohol to get it shiny like this again. These images right here at the bottom are larger than the rest of the images. So these images down here at the bottom are, I measured them to be 2.5 centimeters long, where these over here, all the others are 2 centimeters. So this is a half a centimeter longer than all the others. And the width on all of them, let's see, it is 1.5 centimeter is the width of the images. So it's this side. And there are 42 images on this plate, so I find it to be very well priced for the quality. Really good quality plate and very well etched, so they all work. I'm very happy with this plate. I would like to thank BangGood.com for sending me this plate to review and play with. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them below. Remember that I will have the links down in the description bar. Any comments? I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.